Get him spinning really fast.
No.
Yes. Do it. Go really, really fast. Just.
What? Watch your hands, watch your hands.
Okay, do it again, do it again. Just like whip them around. Don't even say anything nasty to that. You won't fall, just hang on tight. Dude, if you have to puke, let me know so I can go run away. Holy shit. Yeah, fat. You okay? You look dizzy.
Get up and walk.
Dude, come on, do it. Get up, get up. Get up. Come on, some people want to swing. Now walk that way. Walk in a straight line. I'm gonna swing.